Yeah! Mwah! Mwah! I can't move that much. I'm so stiff. Arr. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, Ski. Hello, you're so cute, buddy. You're so cute, too. You're so adorable. All right. Let's see. There you go. Bye. Thank you so much.
Kiss.
Kiss him?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Yeah! I kissed a bird. I had to close my eyes for that. Bro, I had to close my eyes for that. Guys, the guy with the monkey is going to be here tomorrow.